Hello, this is wmpyr. For today's video, I want to show you guys arm weaving, and I'm going to try to show you the most simplest arm weaving technique that I know of. The most famous one, on the other hand, is the heaven six, which goes like so, all right? And as you can see, it's a lot more complicated than what you might be used to or what you've seen before. And it can be modified like I'm doing right now in so many different ways. Boom, 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 like so, okay? And this can be fairly complex, especially for someone starting off. So that's why I want to show you guys something that you can do, but it's still in the same category, which is basically being able to flow with both hands. So let's get started. The one that I want to show you guys starts with the double arm swing, like this. You're just swinging the double swing technique like this, which is, just imagine like swinging like a baseball bat like this, boom, and then you go back to the other side, okay? And the starting position is like this, which I call the over and under position, because one stick is on top and the other is underneath. And then from here, we just swing to the other side, and it's in the same position. And we're just going from the same position back on each side, all right? So over under position, this on the right side, over under on the left side. And the way we're doing it like this, 1, 2, 1, 2, both sticks go together. But to make it a little bit easier for you guys, I like to break it down instead of just going 1, 2. That's 2 motions. 1, 2. I break it down into 4. So I go bottom hand first, then the top hand, bottom hand, top hand. So it goes 1, 2, 3, 4. This makes it a little easier if you are having a hard time just swinging back and forth like this. For some people, it just depends on the person. But if you are, just go bottom hand, top hand, bottom hand, top hand. 1, 2, 3, 4. So please get some reps with that. And then what we're going to do is we're going to make this a little bit more realistic. So right now we are clearing the elbow because we don't want to hit our own elbow. We're clearing it underneath, right? So when we go to this way, same thing. We clear it on underneath the elbow. But what we're going to do instead is we're going to clear it on the top. We're going to park the stick on the top of the elbow. And it's pretty much the exact same thing that we've been doing, except you're parking on the top of the elbow, boom, boom, on the top of the elbow, like so. And we're still going from side to side. 1, 2, 1, and 2. And if you feel that you're hitting your arm like this, then what you need to do is make sure to bring your arm all the way to here, to where your hand is parking on your arm. That way, you're not going to feel the stick collide into your arm. If you're just parking it right here, then yes, the stick will hit your arm like so. So make sure that you bring your arm all the way, and boom, like this, like this. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Or you could go 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Make sure the hand goes right on the arm, okay? So now the next part is we're going to go downwards, okay? So I'm going to be hitting downwards. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so I'm hitting, it's the same motion, but instead of going sideways, I'm going downwards. So 1, 2, so that's one, see, that's one swing going this way, and now I'm going to swing going the other way. So I'm going to swing boom, boom, like this. And then I swing 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So in this case, let's now deliberately, instead of just going 1, 2, 1, 2, we're going to make it into 4 motions. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? And if you start to make that faster and smoother, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, boom, 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 boom. This is what it turns into. Okay? 1, 2, 2, 1. Boom, 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 boom. So there you go. That is the easiest double stick arm weaving that I know of. If all that was complicated, don't worry. There's another way to derive to this, and that is from this. We start with the sticks like this, and you're going to hit 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. A lot of people that I've taught, the beginners, they like this one. What you're doing is you're making a diagonal strike and a diagonal strike, park, diagonal, diagonal, park. So you're drawing an X. 1, 2, there's my X, and then I park, draw an X, and park. Diagonal down, diagonal down, diagonal down, diagonal down. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And if you notice, that's pretty much the same thing that we were doing earlier. It's the same movement. Boom, 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 like so. It's the same thing. You derive it differently. I wanted to start with the other one, and then because I felt like this one's easier, we want to connect them together, and that's a full circle right there. So hopefully that makes sense. Thank you for watching, and take care, folks.